It all started a couple years ago when I bought this abandoned factory manual 1JZ Turbo Toyota Soarer for an extremely good price of 11.5 grand, kitted with a strong Torsen LSD AO2B diff and the 5-speed R154 manual gearbox. Now, I bought this for the purpose of 1. Being I froth a good Soarer, and 2. To get more experience building and restoring cars. So you're watching from the perspective of a learner, not a teacher. Anyways, we got some work to do. So sit down, get comfy and relax, while you watch a couple potatoes tackle a restoration.
What have you got to say about that, Benjamin?
My name's Soarer.
Yeah, goes on, bro.
So before we go overhauling the appearance of the Soarer, we've got to get this dog back on the road. So first things first, I'm going to be working on this car with my mate Jono. I've known him since primary school and we both have a fairly basic understanding and experience with cars. In other words, we're both learning. Now the Soarer, it runs but does not drive. It doesn't want to go into gear when the engine is running, but when the engine's not running, it'll shift into gear fine. So Jono's theory is that there's air in the clutch system, causing the clutch to stick and seize up. So the very first thing we're going to do is try bleed the clutch. Alright, we're going to bleed the clutch, see how it goes. So right now it doesn't shift into gear. Alright, about to pump it.
Yeah.
Pumping.
Now hold pressure on it.
Holding. Waiting.
Oh, fuck, it's tight.
No run. Fuck, how good are these socks, eh? So it did have some air in it?
Yeah, I think so. It's hard to tell.
Gonna top it up with some fresh brake fluid. Alright. Fingers are crossed. Starting.
Is it going gear?
We're about to find out. Oh. Hey.
Handbrake off, doesn't matter. Oh my god, you're driving.
Is it driving? Show the boys, mate. Show them. Well.
How's that?
Bloody beautiful, mate. Well, that's actually fucking easy.
Yeah.
And just like that, it was driving. It's always nice when you get those easy fixes working on a car, because most of the time you think it's going to be a small job and it turns into a fucking big one. Now at this point, we can take the thing out for a drive. But while we got it on the hoist, we're going to service the fluids and check the current oil that's either in the engine, the gearbox and the diff. It might give us an indication about the car's health. Is that a right colour? Looks a bit
Looks a bit left to me.
Oh fuck, mate, she's a write-off.
Yeah, she's fucked.
She's fucking cooked.
It looks pretty good. I ain't seen any leak. Oh, it's a bit moistury down here. Show us your moves, Johnny. Penetrating?
I think I just turned it the other way.
Oh shit. Dog account. Not coming off.
Oh, I'm just fucking bending it, dude. It's not even gonna...
No, go deeper.
I'm fucking almost bowl deep in it. Let's
Yes.
let it leak out for a bit.
That's how you drain an oil filter. 101.
Step 1 to drain your oil filter.
Thanks for watching. When there's a will, there's a way.
Just oil filter or something. It's one of the worst things that I've ever fucking done. I hate this. This is horrible.
Well, look, it had to be changed one day. We might as well bite the bullet. Confront your demons.
Oh, stop! Can't catch all the fish. Sometimes
Yes, you can.
Let some go. Why is it not turning?
His idea was it to penetrate the fucking...
You was
Oh yeah.
Car's gonna drive me insane.
Dude, what the fuck? He's got it. That's what we want to see. Fuck yeah. Yes. Yeah. That's what we do to our fucking enemies. We'll kill them.
Blow their fucking brains out.
All the fluid was actually pretty clean, from what I could tell, so I think someone's replaced it quite recently. But anyways, we've made sure now, all the fluids are done, out of the way. But now, the moment of truth. We're still yet to actually drive this thing out in the road, so let's give it a whirl.
Oh, it's clean in here.
Engaging point is so far up. First drive ever. Let's do this. Fucking real estate agents.
Is that just like an aggressive, like you slam the clutch in? Feels grunty. I think it's just exhaust.
Yeah.
The crackling.
Because that's just hanging around. But yeah, it's not rotation.
Actually, the brakes work. That sounds pretty cool.
It's not insanely quick.
Nah. That sounds unreal.
People's ears.
All in all, it actually felt pretty good to drive. And it had a bit of poke about it. You know, it gets up and going. But the only thing we were confused about was that thump noise every time we shift gears. If any of you guys know what that is, just comment below. Because, yeah, I wonder. Anyways, it was Jono's turn to have a drive.
Is that all you got? Hey Ben, come look at this just on this corner.
So far, so good. We've had nothing too out of the ordinary jump out and scare.
Like you can see it just getting the wheel on it.
Jesus, yeah. Fuck me.
There's a crack in the oil drain on the gearbox. How the fuck does that happen? Anyways, we found it after we started wire brushing whatever seems to be on it, this gunk, whatever that is, because we noticed it was slowly leaking oil. At this point, we dove deeper and kept digging.
The fuck? I'm just surprised how much that revealed.
Yeah. Just
What was on that?
just see all that gunk stuff.
You just covered it up.
Because why would it be made up like that?
Yeah.
Judging by how shiny it is as well, I think that is aluminium. You still might be able to. Oh, I don't know if you can stick like that. I don't think so.
It's like it was bogged up or something.
Yeah.
This area looks like it's already been, I don't know if it's JB Weld or something, but bogged up. And if we start grinding it back, is it just going to reveal more of these bad boys? Well, I don't know how JB Weld acts. We'll put the bolt in first, right? The thread itself is fine, but there's a crack in it. Like it, you know what I'm saying?
So it seems like it's actually been repaired previously with that gunk that's all around it. Upon doing some research, we figured they actually probably used JB Weld. Now of course we've got to fix this thing. Before we go ripping the gearbox out and getting it welded, we figured we'd try JB Weld again to see if that could do the job. And if it doesn't, it's not too much of a biggie. We'll just have to pull it out, pay a professional welder a couple $100 who can weld aluminium to repair it.
JB Clips 2000. No one would understand that.
I'm sure there's a couple OGs out there.
It's one for me and you, mate.
I don't know how much we need.
Joseph Mischief, you watching, mate? This one's for you.
Need 50-50.
Yeah, we've never used JB Weld before, but I've seen people repair holes in their engine block with JB Weld. So surely something like this would be a piece of piss.
Well, that's satisfying, trying to keep it going.
Yeah, you like that?
Damn. That is JB Weld, my friend. Yeah, that is JB Weld. Man. Get out of the way, you dog. Yeah, you forgot the...
Joe, not on the inside of the thread.
No, you got it.
Ben, are you supposed to put it on the inside of the thread?
That's not on the inside of the thread.
I'll go along with you, fucking... What do you... You didn't catch on, Joe. You still don't fucking catch, do you?
Oh, righto, mate. Whatever you say. Have you got the bolt then?
Hey, I gotta dry it out.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
That's bullshit.
I reckon Johnny could be a great guy in the gym.
He could be.
Same as Stephen.
Oh, he's just making a fucking mess of it now.
You
I don't f***.
Righto. While we let the JB Weld dry and cure, it was time to begin overhauling that appearance. What do we want this Soarer to look like?
just go.
Now, like all my car builds, I get a bunch of photos off Google Images for inspiration. And personally, I don't really like the Series 3 wing. It's a bit too bulky, you know. So I went with the other factory Soarer spoiler instead. This one right here, I'm actually not sure what series it is, but it looks way more sleek. So I don't want to do anything too overboard. I'm going for the less is more type Soarer.
Like an unwound lock, I just don't seem to care.
Oh, I've scared him off. Focus. Oh, you're a fucking... Wibble, huh? Wibble, huh? Throw something at it. Wibble, huh?
Don't shoot at me!
Seabird, Seabird, fly home. Seabird, Seabird, fly home. So lonely, Seabird, you've been away from land too long. Oh, too long. Suddenly you're with me, and you're not there. Like a ghost you haunt me, you find warmth in a one-night bed.
Place you down, brother.
Get that hole lined up before we make a touch. Oh, lift off. Look at that.
Dude, that's beautiful.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Like a lonely seabird, you've been away from land too long. Oh, not too long. Little seabird, 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 fly.
Have we tried?
It doesn't fit.
Oh wait. Oh, it gets bigger when I pull on it. Well, take it off. Focus, Benjamin, focus.
There you were freaking out, trying to get your head around the fact that me and you in love is dead. See how I'm tripping now, cause you can't decide what you really want from me. Why does it
Bingo.
have to be like this? I can never tell.
I've got this nifty little wheel tool here, and you can adjust it to match the wheels you're looking at buying, and it shows you where the wheel is gonna sit. So it gives you an idea if the wheel's gonna fit or not before you actually buy it. Anyways, while I shopped around for some wheels, it was about time that JB weld would have cured. So we're gonna check and see if it leaks or not.
Sort of a sign of seeking out.
Yeah. Looks pretty sealed to me.
Bingo. The JB did it. It was sealed with no more oil leaking. Now, it was about time this thing got some paint. I didn't want to go too crazy and break the bank, so I got a budget paint job done. It's not perfect, but I think it turned out pretty fucking decent.
Now,
100 van nummer, dan ga ik wel komen, want ik ben flexibel. Wie ben ik in de club? Nu sta ik voor de spiegel, ik kan niet voor je liegen. We willen wat verbieden. Nou, ik wil. 100 van nummer, dan ga ik wel komen, want ik ben flexibel. Wie ben ik in de club?
Soarer was coming along. We're still yet to do things like put some new wheels on it, lower it, make an exhaust, and more. But all in all, it's coming along pretty decent. As much as I love the look of stock cars and stock interiors and that, it feels like a fucking boat when you're trying to drive it with this steering wheel. So, we're going to take it off and put something a bit better on.
Yes, Japanese.
You have a steering wheel puller?
Is that a thing? Are you serious? Can't just fucking pull the car off.
Jane is going to demonstrate how to unstuck the steering wheel.
Oh, in the air.
Oh yeah.
Can't. It's still on.
We don't have a puller.
We now have a puller. Now it's time to bring the appearance all together. Wheels. I went with some Workmeister S1 3-piece. Reps. That's right, I got reps. And I love reps. Great bang for your buck. Reps are great. Changed my mind. They may not look as cool and aren't as strong as genuines, but these cunts will take a beating. No question about it. I drift on reps. I smash them in and off ripple strips. Strength is generally not a problem with a good rep. As long as you don't go around trying to pass it off as the real deal, then I couldn't give a fuck. Anyways, here we are at Shockworks. Christopher himself here has allowed me to use his tyre machine to fit some tyres onto these wheels. Now of course we've all jumped into a time machine to watch this video. This footage is set before the 350Z build, which is already up on the channel, just in case you're wondering.
So when are you going to announce a new dog on the channel, mate?
Yeah, people been telling me I should get a dog.
I'm talking about Rudy.
Talking about, oh, Rudy. Oh yeah, he'll get a special montage. I'm gonna have like nice innocent cinematics first. Like, oh, look at this cute dog. And then just dubstep.
Yeah, you just got to put it on the right fucking angle, can't you? Yeah, just start it further up. Yeah, mate. Hey, there you go. Now you're fucking talking.
Push it in.
Back, yeah, pull it back.
Pull it back. Fuck, be dead, cunt. That's scary.
Yeah, fucking get in. Now you can press the button, come here button.
Oh yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, they're a fucking stretch. Like, honestly, like, I'm not fucking talking shit or nothing about that, but it's fucking hard to get the funds on.
Hell yeah.
Looking pretty good.
So it was
if it
like...
doesn't drop under that lip, you got to help it along. Yeah. As it's going, I need you to help turn the tyre. There you go. That'll go.
Yeah, sweet.
Left button first, definitely not the right button. Yep. Yep, now lift up again. So yeah, there you go.
Oh yeah.
Fuck.
I've got a blood nose.
Yeah, what'd you do?
You got a tissue?
Nah, go get rags. Ask Jeffrey for rags.
Hey Jer, do you have like a rag or something around you? Like just for a blood nose, something to
Oh, a tampon.
Yeah, just tampon please. Yeah, sweet, thanks mate.
I'm slowly getting the hang of the tie machine here. Takes a whole lot of practice because you're basically turning into an octopus with all these different fucking arms. So there's a lot of muscle memory required.
Sweet.
Bingo.
You're officially, mate, you could get a job at Bob James.
Yeah, sweet. Because once I've debeated.
What tire pressure were you running?
I don't remember. But I was in the 33 and went to do a skid, just like a U-turn skid. And
Didn't hit anything, just literally side load and it debeated.
yeah, just went bang off. Tire debeated. Rim was sitting on the fucking road. It's very nice. Just reps like these. But yeah, like they were pretty stretched, similar to these. But I just don't know.
Listen, pick up that one.
This one?
Pick up that one, do the same thing.
Oh, is that like because it's full flat, full contact?
Well, no, mate, it's just fucking like a big rubber.
Oh,
You can literally.
the different tires. Yeah.
Yeah, they didn't have the same. But
These are Nankangs for you. Bloody great tyres. And I usually run NS2Rs on the front of my drift cars. And they're so nice and grippy. So the last piece of the puzzle before these wheels are ready to go on the Soarer is balancing the wheel. Of course, never done this before, but luckily Chris is here to guide me.
you know you got your shirt inside out, yeah?
Oh, fuck.
Not again.
God damn it. Yeah, you're right.
I'll probably start with 40.
Fuck, am I getting blood nose again?
Stop, don't rubber that fucking hard, you're crazy.
BRB.
Oh, back to the nose, right?
This is one oily rag.
What? That's not, is that on a new rag?
Good sniff. On the angled thing, yeah?
On the angled thing, as level as you can. Like make it go nice and straight around it. Apply that perfectly, cunt. I'll come from the front, we'll meet you there. Fucking marvellous. There you go. I knew me distances, mate. Don't worry. That's going to be fucking bang on, mate. So you know what fucking needs to end. Fuck that off, that's fine.
She's such a freak. Bad and freaky, yeah. We still don't trust you.
All fitted and balanced. Cheers to Chris for giving me a hand with that, mate. Back we go to my joint.
Don't trust you.
2 for 1 deal on that one.
Tiger.
Yeah, that's
What's
you,
this
mate.
one?
You're a fucking tiger. That has a black top.
Fucking legend. Mix her up. True mechanics drink, mate.
Yeah, all the mechanics get on.
We don't trust you.
Rightio. The wheels are on. It's sitting really high now, of course. So we're going to lower it and hopefully get some decent fitment. It's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. But yeah, we got thinner tyres, which makes the tyres stretch onto the wheel. So it'll help a lot clearing the fenders. I was a bit nervous here because I was still not sure if the wheel was going to fit, but we'll just have to find out.
Oh, yeah. These could probably do with some new shocks, but hey, we'll see how they go. We'll start bringing it down.
Too slow.
Keep them coming. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's sick. Feel it. Because it actually goes in.
Yeah, it did. Tucked in nicely.
It's tucked in real good. Fuck yeah, dude. Oh. Check it out. That is sexy. Fuck, it could come lower, but
Diamond 7 digits, call up Bridget, her man's a midget. Plus she got fringe, yo, I can dig it. Here's a 40 swigget, you know it's frigid. I got him chillin' in the cooler, break out the ruler. Damn, that's the fattest dog I ever seen. The weather's keen in Cali, getting weeded makes it feel like Maui. Now we feel the
There we go. The fitment isn't perfect, but I think it's come together pretty good. Now before we go making the exhaust, we're going to take a breather and head over to Born and Thread. You may remember the R31 shirts being printed here a while back. Born and Thread has since grown into a larger warehouse and the place looks absolutely phenomenal. I've had clothing printed from many other businesses over the years, but with Born and Thread, their quality has been unmatched. So I'm sticking with it.
Cease to resist, giving my goodbye. Drive my car into the ocean. You think I'm dead, but I sail away on a wave of mutilation, wave of mutilation, wave of mutilation,
Just get a load of that detail in the engine bay right here. Bloody beautiful.
I've kissed mermaids, rode the Aluminium. Walked the sand without crustaceans. Could find my way to Mariana. On a wave of mutilation, wave of mutilation, wave of mutilation,
I just want to say thanks to you guys. You've helped jumpstart the beginnings of the clothing brand. Apart from my own benefits, now I get to employ my mates and the missus for work from time to time and give them some extra cash. And of course, you get some good merch and better quality content. So it's a win-win. Thanks fellas. Now we're almost at the finish line. We're almost there. The next one is going to be a bit of a mish though. We're going to need to do the end section of the exhaust. And at this point in time, I had never touched a TIG welder. This is before I fabricated that 350Z exhaust. So feast your eyes on my very first attempt at making an exhaust.
it's a pretty small muffler. Probably have to put a pie cut in there as well just to get that extra bit of angle. We got 2.5 inch pipe here. Bit of this to put in the exhaust hanger.
Can you sharpen it?
Nah, well I can, but yeah. Which way do we have to hold it?
Don't worry, I'll sharpen it.
Yeah.
Oh, for fuck's sake. If you put the earth on here,
yeah,
you may get arc strikes all along here. It's not a big deal.
Has it got an earth strike yet? Have you felt the earth strike yet? Or
No, it just leaves a tiny little mark.
Yeah, thanks to my roommate Willie B. He's going to give us a rundown on how to TIG. We're going to do one side of the exhaust together, and then I'll go and do the next side by myself.
That's actually quite nice.
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to work that nice. I thought it was going to be a cut. Then turn it on, and then what should happen is you touch it, and then it should only take like 1 second. Make sure there's no gap.
Now it's my turn to have a crack at doing some tack welds, getting it in place.
Alright. By no means this is how you do it properly. I've never done an exhaust before.
Yes.
You're doing it wrong!
Okay.
It looks shit if it's too far out though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks way too far out.
What about there?
We'll see, I'll just do that and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Alright, so roughly, we'll cut a piece at 310 mil.
Just, yeah, pole vault it straight through there, thanks. Bit of a parkour area here. We got lube as well now.
Just a little bit. But because it's straight, it doesn't matter where the fuck we put this, it's just going to use it as spin. Right.
Do you remember if that was kind of what his looked like?
I didn't even see it. It looks sharp.
Yeah, it looks fine to me.
That's one. Probably should have put a couple more stronger tacks in there. We can also get the hangers to pull it to the side a little bit.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yeah, that is not too bad. Yeah, that should be enough. And then run it along the outside so we know how far to go. So go like that, all the way around it. Do you like it kicking up, or do you want it? I actually prefer it when it kicks up a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be better when it's sitting down on the ground too.
Yeah, well, did you want to lower the car now?
Yeah, true. Exhaust making is fucking cool.
Yeah, I've never done one before. There's probably different ways to do it.
What do you reckon?
Oh, it looks fine.
You like
It's
it?
got plenty of clearance under there.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I like the length as well. And then you cut it with the grinder, pull it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. And then just slide that to the top of there.
I might hit the old.
Just give it a yank down when you next finds it. That's fine.
Is it? Is that not gonna?
Oh, he can't fucking make you happy, can you? It's too low, it's too fucking high.
I mean, look, that shouldn't bounce too much. It's not like we're going belly driving.
Nothing special, but it's welding.
Slowly, I was getting there. Now the next thing was being able to actually use this filler rod properly. You can see Will is using it right here. Now I remember when I was trying to use it, it just felt really awkward to use, but it just takes practice. She wasn't pretty, but it's a weld, and it'll probably hold. driver's side was complete. It was now time for me to fabricate and weld the passenger side. But this time, I've got no guidance.
That sits pretty well. I should do it. Fuck me, cunt. Jesus Christ.
Note to self, remember to turn the fucking gas on.
I think that's pretty spot on.
It was all fabricated. I tried to be as symmetrical as the best I could. Now all that was left was to weld everything out. I was pretty stoked with how it turned out for my first time doing it. Of course, I can say there's room for improvement. Also, I'm not too sure what the go is with the smoke coming out the exhaust. I assume it's because the car doesn't go out for a drive very often, so it's just burning off condensation or something. Or I could be completely wrong, because otherwise, the drive's really good. Now, it's almost there. The final pieces of the puzzle.
guys, so this looks like fucking shit. If you know what we're doing wrong, drop a comment below and make sure to give us a sub as well. Thanks.
Please, guys, we teach you how to build cars. Check this out, guys. This is awesome here. We got the clear coat.
We really have done ourselves this time.
We know what's going on here. Fuck. Check out this new effect. You want this earthquake effect? We got it right here.
Okay, so that didn't go to plan. But Panos came around to lend us a much needed helping hand while he fixed up the headlights. I'm putting on this stainless intake pipe. Should give the turbo dose a little bit of an enhancement.
See? Beautiful. See how it's getting scuffed up? We need to get all scuffed, right? That's how it works. So it's like foggy as f. And then we go over it in like 2K or something, so it's a lot less scuffed.
Yeah, very
But
smooth.
it's just foggy still.
Yeah.
Then you clear cut here. It's not scratches, but I need to go up this way now. Now let that sit. It should not turn like that. There is no way in hell. Yeah.
Right next to it. Beautiful.
Huh? Don't go up and down and shit, you go across.
Yeah.
And you flick at the end, so you start like this and you flick that way.
Yeah.
So it mists, it doesn't
Go in one spot.
yeah, exactly, and dribble.
Gotcha.
More. Yep. There we go.
At last, the build was finally complete. What was once an abandoned project, sitting quite sad, was now restored and ready for its final test drive.
I breaks it down to the bone gristle. Ill speaking, scud missile, heat seeking. Johnny blazing, nightmares like Wes Craven. Niggas gunning, my third eye seen it coming.